Okay, so you just wanna like wasting time because the welcoming party is scheduled back to 3 p.m. Fuck your miscommunication. So actually the event was to be held at 2 because we need to prepare like decorations and stuff. It's basically just preparations, tapi tiba-tiba diundur tai, dan gue udah siap nih, gue udah make up cuy, dan gue sudah ready semuanya, terus tiba-tiba diundur tuh, bilang jam 3 ya semuanya. Nah untungnya si Putri belum bangun, hahaha, dia kayak tiduran deh. So I think I'm just gonna explain my makeup. Okay, so for the base, start from the color corrector. I was using the nggak tahu nggak tahu mereknya apa. It was like an orange corrector, and habis itu ditimpa sama Pixi concealing base, itu shade kan ada ini jauh di lemari, shade 01 natural beige, but I'm not really sure kalau aku adalah seorang natural beige. Terus abis itu I was using the blush. It's from Gucci shade, nggak tahu juga, lupa. And then I top it, I bake the base with powder, and it's from Silky Girl, and it's on edge of gue lupa bahasa Inggrisnya apa, tapi pokoknya itu udah hampir mau habis. And mind you, it's been almost like 3 years maybe, because I first bought it when I was 12, when I was on 12th grade. I bought it before the graduation. Pokoknya pas itu buat yearbook. Nah terus belilah itu, and until now it hasn't been run out. Kayak ya sisa dikit lagi sih, tapi kayak kan lumayan. And then I was using Judy Doll. I have it with me. Actually this is like the wrong tone from my skin, because I realized like I wasn't in denial, but actually maybe I was some kind of warm tone, tapi nggak tahu juga. Tapi kayak hair gue kuning, karena gue kuning. Nah tapi kalau dimulai sama ini nggak kelihatan sih kalau di kamera. This is on the shade, nggak ada shade, tapi pokoknya ini buat yang cool tone. And everybody on the internet says that this is actually sering copot, tapi I don't know, I've had it with me for like 1 year and belum, nggak tahu sih, kayak pernah jatuh tapi kayak nggak pernah, alhamdulillah sejauh ini belum pernah copot. And then I highlight some part of my face, like under eye, and then around my chin and the forehead with this powder. And this one I bought it when I was in 1st grade of high school, jadi kayak when I was in 10th grade. Tapi ini tuh gue gak match sama gue, karena kayak ini putih banget sumpah, kayak mana ya adik-adik. So use it to highlight my powder. And this is on the shade, aduh nggak ada shade-nya, tapi seingatku dulu ini tuh ada shade-nya, dan ini aku udah milih yang paling gelap, but somehow it still look lighter on me. Terus for the lips, first thing first, I'm using my Pure Pow Pow. It's on yellow. The yellow, I forgot what it smells like, but I also had that in high school. I bought it in high school, I think when I was in 11th grade. So it's been like 3 or 4 hours. I mean, years. Actually, I rarely use that, so that's why it hasn't been run out. Kayak belum habis karena ya gue jarang makainya sih, jujur. And then for the base, I top it. Base top. For the base, I use the Faye. Mobil. Faye Riley. I don't know how to pronounce the brand name, but it's on shade peanut butter, I think, or peanut cream. And then for the top, I use Wardah Color Fit in shade Sunkissed Jeju. I know that one because I love it, how it look on my skin, my lips, I mean. And then to make it look juicy, I use the My Dear Me Beauty lip balm. So actually I didn't really had that much makeup tools, karena gue emang pakai yang gue punya doang, maksudnya gue butuh doang. And I didn't think like spending money on too much makeup tools that you don't need is actually clever, kayak it's wasting money. So terus apa lagi ya, aduh ini baru 5 menit dari jam 2, sedangkan gue masih harus jam 3. And actually I had a ton of assignments to do, tapi gue kayak males. And I think I'm gonna spend the rest of my remaining time with watching Winda, I don't know. Dan sampai sekarang, oh Putri sudah bangun. Jadi gelap ya.
Ya Allah, baru bangun, ngantuk.
I'm so tall, can't get over me. Ini adalah tugas kelompok mata kuliah. Nomor gue di save sama Satrio. That's all for today's talk with me. Udah, next.